Notice that when you do the sudo space su command, the color codings are not there anymore. To resolve this issue, we need to edit the bashrc file. So issue the command leafpad and then bashrc, open the file, select all, remove, and then paste the content of this file. I will show you here on GitHub. It is github.com/redpython961 and /Kali. Go to bashrc, copy all the content here, and paste it in the bashrc file. Now save the file, close it, close the terminal, open the terminal again, issue the sudo command, and as you can see, the color codings are there.